In this video, we will talk about the program that broke the click records of the whole world. ChatGPT. I wonder if this program can compete with Google in the future. We have a lot to do with ChatGPT. Now let's move on to what we can do. You can write encoding to this program. For example, game codes or site codes. Can debug the written code you find ready. You can ask them to write captions about YouTube video content and produce YouTube content that starts. You can print articles, stories, poems, even lyrics. You can search for a topic and ask where you can find the original sources of this topic. When searching for a topic, you can ask her to translate the answer into another language. You can ask all problems to ChatGPT, which has a unique problem-solving ability. Thanks to API integrations, it offers an infrastructure that can pave the way for new discoveries in physical and virtual environments. Can easily explain difficult concepts, e.g., can you explain the mechanics of Foucault's pendulum with formulas and examples? Don't forget to subscribe and like.